All right, everybody. Hello, everyone. Recently, I've been practicing two-handed, and tonight is going to be my very first night bowling exclusively two-handed, minus some 10 pins. I'll probably throw one-handed. Yeah, so the 4 balls that I filled, I finally drilled today, and this will be my first night ever throwing with 2 hands. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. We're about to start practicing, and see you there. Oh, if you like my new jersey from Viz Sportswear, just send me a message and I'll get you in connection. Thanks. I just realized how bad I sound. I'm getting over the flu. Sorry, guys. Keep it off the gutter. I thought that was going to roll the 4-pin. I can figure out the line to strike. All right. Tight line don't work. Opening don't work. All right. So frustrating. So frustrating. I just can't strike. I'm going left. Here we go. Too far left. Oh, that's what you gotta do. You just gotta hit the left side. Learning process. I just got to remember that. All right, slow everything down. Let's try that. Two in a row. This is awesome. I'm on my truck with a ball. Alright, different ball. Let's try the vaporize. Get it right. See if it eats. found a little something, something. A ball that doesn't hook. That's what I like. Now I'm going to put it out further and see if it'll come back from the gutter. If that happens, we're in good shape going forward. Not too bad. A little too far right, but I think it'll recover. Boards left to where this was. Let's see if it comes back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was about 3 or 4 boards left to where I just put it, and I wanted to see if it came back, and it did. We're in good shape. So that game sucked. So 168. So I'm still learning this two-handed thing. We got something. Why can't I just throw them all like that? Slow it down. Got a little something, something. Thank you. Too far down the lane. Slow it down, slow it down.